Hello, I want to record a video about how to install and configure Bounce Trader. So you install Bounce Trader as just as any other indicator. You go to Tools, Import, Ninja Script Add-on, and you select the file that you have downloaded from when you got that Bounce Trader. So you select the file. It's not here. I don't have it anymore. But you select the file, zip file. You don't extract it, and you install it. And you click import. You select the file. If it's gonna ask you for overriding, then you click yes, and you wait until it finishes. Wait until you see a successful installation in there. So once you have installed it, you go to your charts, you right click and you select indicators, you select the Bounce Trader, you double click on it so it appears in this lower window. I already have it here, and here are your configurations. You have this EMA period specified to 34, and this configuration only applies to this button, EMA buy or EMA sell. In other words, you specify at which EMA buy should trigger your order. You have an offsetting ticks, like right now it's set to 0. It means price will have to reach EMA, but if you say off ticks, let's say it's like 5 ticks, then if price comes almost to 34 EMA, just within 5 ticks, it will trigger your order. But right now it's set to 0, and you may configure height of these buttons. These buttons, see, they are a little bit bigger than these guys, so you can configure height there. I also removed the label Bounce Trader. I left it blank so it doesn't show up anything here. And I also select the EMA by EMA plot to gold to in order to match my templates. So you hit apply, and the Bounce Trader is here. And you also want to make sure that you go up here and enable Chart Trader. It's enabled right now. If you have it off, you don't have it. If you have a Chart Trader, you'll have it here. You select which account you want, and unlike these buttons, these are market order buttons. When you hit buy, it doesn't open order right away because it waits until bar close. So don't get frustrated if it doesn't open order. It waits. See, it says buy close. It means the button is activated. You can always cancel it. You can let's say if you wanna sell below, you can also always cancel it. Make sure your ATM strategy is selected. I have my ATMs here. If you don't have any ATMs, you click custom and you go, let's say you select order quantity 1, stop loss 42, take profit 20, and I want to select it and I want to name it as NQ1 42 20, something like this. You can name it whatever you want. So your strategy is selected here, and then let's say, see, the price, in order for EMA to work, price has to be above the EMA, and then you activate the button. And with EMA buy, it doesn't wait for the bar to close. It opens when price reaches. That's the EMA levels. So that's the only difference between EMA and all other buttons. You also have options with limit orders, and you also have option with OCO orders. Let's say this OCO orders, you can click OCO and it will open orders however bar closes. But if you want to find out more information, you can visit the website and see how these buttons operate. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.